Jam. Jam.
Jam is
Jam is
in
in the
jar.
jar.
R
R.
ARR.
ARR.
Jam is in the jar. Jack eats jelly in the car. Say loudly. K.
K. J.
Fill up your line. Jack
Okay.
eats
EA.
T
S.
S. Jack eats jelly. J E L Y. Jelly in IN. No. In the car. K ARR.
Car.
So now you read it quickly. Jam is in the jar.
Jam is in the jar.
Jack eats jelly
Jack eats jelly
in the car.
in
Now
the car.
look at this word, Jack.
Jack.
It's capital letter.
Okay.
Because it's a name. But you have written here a small letter.
Yes.
It should be started from the red line.
Okay.
Okay? So write again. Jam is in the jar.
Jam is
In the. Fill up the line, okay?
Okay. Jam is
And hold your pen correctly.
Okay.
Yes. Jam is in the jar. J. Say the sound. R.
Jar.
Jack. So now be careful. Jack. You should write the capital letter.
Okay.
Like this. Like this.
Okay.
No, it's not capital.
Okay.
No. It should be started from the red line. Okay?
Okay.
Red line. J. A. K. K. Again. Jack. Eats. E. T. S. Jelly. J. E. L. Y. Y says Y. Jelly
is
in
the
car.
C
AR. Car. Now read it quickly. Jam is in the jar. Jack
eats
jelly
in the car.
car. Okay.